Okay, so we're testing. Okay, let's do this, see if it captures it.
Diabetes. Look at the cereal, man. Look at that little dude. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna give you all the diabetes. Now, I will tell you, when I went there, they had a different flavor. I thought so much sugar was gonna be up in here. Ooh, all you smell is cinnamon, man. Y'all, I don't know if y'all can see this thing's all thick. These look like hard rocks. Man, I'm telling you, it's all sugar. Y'all, we keep on doing these different flavors for these kids. These kids ain't gonna grow with legs. All right, let's go. Oh my gosh, come on. I'm working big. All right, let's go. Y'all, all right.
Why the big spoon?
Y'all, my tooth. Y'all, I don't know if that was my tooth or that hard rock cereal. All right, let's go again. Take two.
Yes.
Yo, I'm not used to this. I'm not used to trying new things, and all of it is so good so far. There's something up. I feel like, you know what? I feel like this one is gonna be the one I spit up everywhere. All right, we got Cuties by Shopkins. It reminds me of Apple Jacks. Is this Apple Jacks? What is this? These things do look kind of cute though. Who are they? What are their names? All right. Y'all, this reminds me of something. I can't really remember. I can't pinpoint it. It looks like Apple Jacks, but it's not Apple Jacks. All right, let's go. Yo, is that a bubble? Is that a bubble? Yo, that must be that coronavirus going on, man. No lie, y'all, I told y'all it looks good, but everything that looks good ain't good for you, because I'm telling y'all, I tasted the artificialness up in there. And y'all go ahead and find them two cute people on the box. I'm telling y'all, what is Shopkins? Shopkins.
Okay.